What's up, what's up? Y'all can hear me or not? If y'all can hear me, let me know. We gotta start this ASAP. Let me share on the Discord, one sec. Alright, the Discord is here. Don't switch. You gotta go to the server, then go to Safari. Oh my days. We gotta go ahead. If you guys can hear me, let me know, okay? I'm trying to set up the stream, bro. It's been a bit tough. Again, as always. So you guys know. At everyone. I'm gonna Command V. Alright. If you guys can hear me, let me know. There are no problems with the stream, let me know. It's been a bit tough. Again, as always. I was trying to stream from my Windows laptop, but still, bro. We're having the same issues. Alright, so if you guys can hear me, we can go ahead and start right now. Let me make sure OBS has no issues. Let me make sure. Let me keep this one. I don't know what. Just gotta take that off. No need. Let me make sure the audio properties. All right. Okay. All good. Y'all can hear me. If y'all can hear me, type one in the chat. If there's a bit of delay, let me know also, because I'm not really sure if there's a bit of delay on the stream. Let's go ahead and start, bro. NFP as Best Buy, and we haven't taken a trade. And yesterday, for the people that were here yesterday, bro, literally just after getting taken out. Let me go ahead and go full screen here to make it a bit sexier. Error, YouTube is not receiving enough to maintain. Oh my god, bro. We're back at it. We're back at it. We're back at it. I don't know what's wrong with OBS, guys. Look at that. Why OBS can be dragged and drop here? The same issues with. Oh, I ain't gotta go full screen. Gotta take off full screen to be able to drag and drop this, right? Yeah. Look at that. Let me see. Taking a trade. And yesterday, for the people that were here yesterday, bro. What's wrong with OBS, guys? Look at that. Like, it's supposed to be good. I don't know. I think y'all are struggling to see me, right? Alright, let me take this off full screen so I can drag and drop this one here. Let's see. Is it better now? Oh my days. Let's see. If it's better, type one in the chat. If you guys can hear me, let me know, okay? If you guys can hear me, let me know. Alright, so let me take my laptop, just put it here. Because there is no need for, let me take that off. Alright, let me grab my laptop here, just in front of the screen, because I'm not going to use my keyboard. I'm just going to use the Max keyboard. Alright. And, let me see. There are no issues here. Make sure there are no issues. Gonna go to OBS. Y'all can still hear me. Okay, that's good. Is it better now? All right. From the get-go, bro, price is just expanding, and we're still again having back-to-back bullish days, just like yesterday. We've been ranging within previous daily range, but price managed to kind of like reverse off of that level. Oh, I really love what InQ is doing right now. I really do love what InQ is doing right now. All right, let's go to daily. Start from the daily again. Let's start some top-down analysis, and I think the internet is fucked up. Can you guys hear me? Oh my god, bro. Let me check from my phone. Let me check from my phone, guys. Nobody's ever said anything. Let me check. Let me make sure y'all can hear me. Just to get this started, bro. Alright, let me go to the Refine Trader. I'm live right now. Oh my god, bro. Let me check from my phone. It's all good. Nobody's ever said anything. Alright, it's all good. Y'all can hear me, right? Okay, the stream is working good, so no problem. Alright. Let me go full screen here. Alright, so I think we good. I'm not really gonna care much now. Alright, so again, what do we have? Wait. Oh, because this is a new month. I was like, why is it showing from here? So if you guys really check, this is Monday again. Typical expansion week. Top off the daily retracement. Now again, we're retracing. Ideally, I want to see continuation off of that level. Again, we're trading back into can you trade? No, bro. Just sell on a chart. We're sitting at this daily order block here. We don't have any cracks in correlation as far as I know. We go ahead and check that. And bear with me, guys. I'm not really, still not used to using like the Mac keyboard, bro. My control and options are like totally different. Anyways, so what do we have here? Look at that. Like ES is a lot stronger, which is quite rare in YM. Let me check. YM, yeah, YM is also really, really strong. So what do we have? We traded above a key level here. Do you think we can retrace? Not really. Ideally, I want to see continuation higher. We traded again previous daily low and also Tuesday's low into this daily gap here. Do we have an SMT or a one stage or a two stage? We're gonna go ahead and see right now, and yes, we do have a two stage, just on one stage. Not on two stage. This is a PSP. This one is a PSP, but look at YM. It kind of respected the low. We have the second stage here. The SMT confirming what? Confirming the SMT. But now also we do have a two stage on the other side. If you really check, this is a bearish candle. Now we have this. We do have the second stage here, but if you take from the low to the high, ideally, if you want to take shorts, you want to take it back into the EQ. So now we're kind of reacting off of that EQ. So ideally, you want to be looking for longs, ideally. So now we're confirming this two stage here. So let me go ahead and put SMT2. Go on into the 7 hour, even though I don't use it that much. There's nothing really going on here. So that's the daily though. Let me go to 6 hour. 6 hour might be a little bit cleaner just to see that 12 and 6 a.m. candle to see what it's doing right now. Again, the 6 a.m. was just like literally an expansion candle to the downside. This was like more of a weaker candle. And the SMT was confirmed by... If price wants to continue lower, this is the area we'll do it from. Why? Just with a basic fib. If you really take high and low, what's that? The only key level we can reverse off of within the EQ is this high or this gap, right? What the fuck? Why is this gone, bro? What the fuck? They say connect your encoder. I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know if you still can see me. Okay, yes, y'all can still see me, right? Y'all can still see me, right? All right. So now, again, what's gonna cop off this expansion lower? This high here. We do have now. This is like a really, really clean advanced premium discount sequence. Let me see the 4 hour. How's the 4 hour looking like? How's the 4 hour looking like? So we do have a second stage right now. Let me see the hourly. Let me see if we're gonna confirm this hourly swing here. I think if we do confirm this hourly swing here, then I will try to go probably just around the EQ. This range here would be fine. Like probably just to that low. This is like a sweet spot. If price wants to reverse higher, this is the area we'll do it from. Because for me, ideally, I want to take longs. We're confirming the low of day from a daily two-stage PSP with an hourly CISD. The only area we can reverse from the low to the high, is this gap here or this low. Probably which is like a 30-minute swing low or like an 15 low. Let me check. Yeah, so we do have this failure swing. So if you really check, I don't really trust these SMTs here because again, they're kind of like failure swings. So we do have the two stage. So the SMT is either gonna reverse price or cap off the retracement or be a catalyst for a pullback. So in that case, I hope we can just kind of retreat back into the low, form some sort of two stage here to continue back and break that SMT. This would be my ideal scenario for the day, to be honest. I'm just gonna go ahead and put an alert here, put another one here. 90-minute. We do have a two-stage PSP here in the 90-minute, like from a key level, from like a really good key level here. This is bearish, this one bullish, but let me see ES. ES is like more correlated with NQ for now. Yeah, same shit. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see how this 90-minute candle closes. How can we confirm the daily bias? If you really check the daily, we traded below the daily low from a two-stage cracking correlation, two-stage SMT, and then the hourly has a CISD. So ideally, I want to be anticipating this to be the protected current low day and then trade away from it. But from this low and this high, the only key level we have that price can reverse. Is the stream better now? Bro, like this stream is so unstable, man. The stream is so unstable, for real. Even my chart is loading up. Alright, I think we're back. Alright, let's see. Do not disturb on. Okay, that's good. So, for now, I'm not really gonna touch this one. I'll wait for this hourly candle to close. Oh, look at that shit, bro. That two stage is really doing its job. Wow, it's just fucking ripping, bro. Holy fuck. This was really good. But if I took this one, it will be somewhere near to go for 2R for this low here. So I don't know if I would have gotten it or not. Probably not. Yeah, probably not. But damn, bro. That two stage is really good. Alright. Let me see what's going on with gold. Let me take this off. Nothing really with gold. Straight expansion. Again, if you're still, there are two scenarios here on gold and silver both. So we're seeing prices like delivering higher, which is really clean. Again, if you really take the overall range, we still haven't really kind of like rebalanced this overall leg. So I would still be looking for long. So we confirmed double CIZs, like confirming this low. Now we have another one. So if you really check, this current range has been rebalanced. Let me take that off. This range here hasn't been really rebalanced. So if you want to take a short, what do you need? Two-stage cracking correlation to the upside, right? We don't really have. But if you go to the hourly, I'm sure there's a gap. So this gap is going to be the continuation signature. I would love to see one or two-stage cracking correlation at this gap. If you really check, just around the EQ of the leg, or if you want to really like trying to go like range by range, maybe like you want to take it from here to here, somewhere in here. So yeah, as soon as I see like a one stage or two stage in this at this gap, I'll be willing to trade to the upside because where's 1800? Let me go. Let me see 1800. 18, yeah, that's 1800. So this is that daily open, right? Daily open. Do we have any cracks in correlation? Yeah, we do have like just on one stage SMT, like not that much, but still one stage from inside of a gap. Then we delivered away. This is the current daily range from here to here. So let's see. This is the only area I want to look for longs from. Or if I see this gap is failing, then I'll try to go for the daily open. Because looking at this daily candle now, let me go to TTFM. I do have TTFM here. If you really take a look at this current daily candle, it's just an expansion candle. Like look at the wick, bro. It's basically not visible, bro. Just look at the wick. Wait, isn't that 1800, bro? What is going on? Isn't this 1800? It is. But why is it? What? There's something off here. I think something is off here, guys. Oh, this is Wednesday. What the fuck? Forget about it. Sorry, guys. What? Oh, the daily open is here. But wait, there's something off. Why? Why does this daily candle? There's a problem with the daily candle, bro. This is the daily candle. It's supposed to be from here to here. But why is it showing like that? Let me go to the daily. What's going on? Yeah. There's something off with the indicator, bro. There's something off with the indicator. The indicator is not really doing its job. This is not the daily. This is not the low of the daily candle. This is the low of the daily candle. Let me check the other indicator, bro. That's fucked up. Yeah, this is correct. Look at that. Look at the TTFM. Look at the daily low. Look at the daily low. There's something with the TTFM. Not T-Trace fractal model indicator. No. This is just like a copy. So I'm not saying his stuff is bad, bro. Don't take that and take me for a copyright. Some shit. All right. Damn. All right. I'm liking what ES is doing, really. I'm liking what ES is doing. Can you check gold? I've taken entry after the PSP candle. Guys, it's better if you guys can send me your charts. Go to your screenshot, copy link, right? Wait for a sec. Once you get the link, Control V, and then what I want you to give me is this. If you can give me this, cut, paste, you can give me this. Now let me Control Z. Once you give me this, I can take a look at your chart. Annotate your chart. See, show me where you've taken your trade, and then I can review it. Okay, that's a lot better. That's a lot better than like going manually and doing it by myself. All right, so let's see what's going on with the what is it called? Wow, bro, it's just falling off the face of the earth. It's just falling off the face of the earth, bro. By the way, I was trying to look for shorts here into that draw liquidity, but unfortunately, there were no swings. Literally, just dumped. I was waiting here to kind of retest. Why do I have this one? To kind of retest this order block? Because I wouldn't really trust this overall gap. This is like a fat ass gap. And we did have a two-stage here. Let me show you guys. I marked that out and sold on CL. This one here. This was like bullish. This was bearish. Put in lower low. Then maybe like after this swing, I could have traded this candle. But then at 6:30, I was out. I was not at home. But let me check. I wouldn't have taken an entry anyways. So for now, I'm just going to wait for NSCs on gold. I'm trying to look for continuation signature from this gap. And for ES, if we form a C2 here, I like it. I like this C2 here. I do like it. We have like a one-stage continuation, which is really good. Even though it's a failure swing, but I can trust it if we form a C2. And yeah, but there's nothing to kind of trade away from. That's it. Give me guys 1 second, I'll be back. I'm just washing my hands and I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm back. Let me plug in my earphones so I can listen to some music. And at the same time, I'll make sure the microphone is not off, because last time I plugged in my earphones, the mic was so bad. The microphone was so bad. So let me go ahead and plug my earphones. That's the first thing I'll do right now. 1 sec. Alright, they're plugged. Let me go to OBS. Make sure the microphone is still the same. Properties. Alright, it's still the same. Perfect. Okay, now I can go to Spotify. Play some music. Let me make sure y'all can hear the music. Alright, that's good. I think we're gonna go for the low. And if we do go for the low, EAS is gonna go for that low, and then we're gonna have an advanced premium discount sequence from that low to this low here, and then I can see continuations higher. And that would be aligned with the current daily candle. Again, it's an expansion candle. If we're trading away from a protected low, then what do we use it? From the low to the high, we're gonna have some sort of key level within it to then continue from back into that current daily high. And to make a new high of day. Let me see the comments. How to confirm lower high today if we don't have any, with like an hourly CSD. In that case, I would have trusted this. With this hourly CSD, I would have been looking to like look long. But yeah, price is just rip into the downside. Like, once you see like an hourly CSD that was formed early on in the day and we expanded away from it, then most likely than not, that hourly CSD is going to hold. The auto block or a gap within this low and high probably is going to be the new invalidation level for price to continue higher. So we do have an SMT fail right now, but again, this candle doesn't support expansion, so we cannot really trade that candle for the time being. Let's see. All right, let's see. We're still waiting. Let me see what's going on here. Like HO was so good, bro. Look at that. We failed to trade above it. A bunch of fair swings. So we can still like, there are a lot of levels we can trade into on HO, like quite a lot. So it looks good. I think, and also like with the war stopping and everything, so it's supposed to be bearish to kind of like mirror all these moves, because this now we gotta correct all these moves that happened because of the war, I guess. This is back in the war, right? February or what? Yeah, February. So this is like the normal price of HO. This is the normal price of HO. It's supposed to be here, just here. So I think we still have the possibility to go all the way down here and kind of rebalance what the war did. So I'm still bearish on oil, HO, RV. We have a clear, beautiful swing, bro. Look at that swing, man. It's so beautiful. It's like a two-stage PSP. It's just so beautiful. Unfortunately, I couldn't get an entry, man. Unfortunately, so unfortunate. Oh, I love what's going on right now, actually. I love this closure here. Can we get like an M15 SMT fail? That would be so good. Or like an M15 from this gap, an M15 swing, I'll trade it back into this low. That would be really clean. And if you guys are here and you guys liking the stream, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. We got 21 viewers, only 4 likes, so maybe we can take it to 10 likes. Let's see if we can make it to 10 likes, guys. And if you guys can see the stream good, let me know, okay? If the stream has no issues, let me know, so I can make sure, like, I can like explain what's going on and stuff. Bro, backtesting session today? Nah. I'm just gonna share for the day, see what's up. And yeah, that's gonna be the case for today. That's gonna be the probably tomorrow. On a weekend. I'm not sure, but on the weekend I'll try to deliver like a live backtesting session or to go ahead and recap the week, because also I could have made way more money this week than what I did. Yeah, so there are quite a bit of things I need to kind of like journal and stuff. So I would love you guys to also like take the same lessons as me. All right, let me see where Sylvie is. Let me see. Let me go to my Spotify. Tumaza is good. Do you guys like this song? Oh wait, this is full screen, so I can't drag and drop. Do you guys like this song here? Tumaza by Drake and Smiley. It's a good one. I highly suggest. Sure, but keep it in the same. Alright, for sure, bro. But I'm not really sure. It's gonna be either tomorrow, but most likely not tomorrow. Most likely not. Tomorrow I got a bunch of things I gotta do. Maybe Saturday or Sunday. Maybe. But more likely Saturday. If not, then I'll let y'all know. If I can hop on tomorrow, then I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna have a BSP here. 45. Nothing really. We do have this SMT here, but still not good. I don't like when we have a C. Like I don't have when we have an SMT, and also, like you have a CSD and a gap. I don't like it. Even if you like want to go for the downside, I would love to see the gap get sticking out, new swing to get form, and then take it. I just want to be picky man with my trades from now on. What's the bias for today? Ideally, I want to see this low getting taken out from this EDP sequence and then try to go for the upside on ES or YM. All right, we still got 3 more likes to 10 likes. So can we get it? We got 7. We need to push it to 10 or 15. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and do so, because I haven't streamed for 2 months, literally for 2 months. So let's keep the momentum going. I streamed yesterday. I'll stream today. Try to do another stream today, tomorrow, this week. Yeah, and if you guys have any questions, either about yesterday, today, about charts or something, yeah, just drop them in the chat. But this 2-stage has really delivered, man. This 2-stage absolutely delivered. Really. Absolute beautiful delivery. Like these are the things I love. Like if you really look at the 30-minute, bro, like where is the only area that we're gonna like have a problem with? This gap, right? Look at that. Just before we formed the second stage, we kind of inversed it. So there's nothing really that would hold price from going lower. Nothing. Even these fair swings wouldn't do shit. So these are the type of moves I want to be involved in. But look at when we have gaps. Price chops around quite a bit, right? Again, it delivers lower, but it delivers a lot slower. And I don't want to be in such trades because I might take an M3 CISD and still get taken out. For example, you take this CISD, you get taken out. Take this CISD, you get taken out. So You gotta be a lot picky with like these conditions here. Only you. Only you. Like, look at this gap now. Like, even if I want to trade it to upside, like, we have a gap. We have a problem here. All right, let's see if gold is gonna trade back into this gap here or not. This one is another beautiful song here. Let me show you. This one here. It's really good. This one is really good, bro. So 2016, 10 years ago. Let me see. September 16th. In 2 months, it's gonna be 10 years old. Damn. It's really good. You're going to stream daily. Hopefully, man. Hopefully. I'll try my best to do. Long in gold. Yeah, if we do trade back into the gap and then we have some sort of 1 or 2 stage correlation with proper swing formation, oh well. Wish I could push it to like 1K. Bro, what's your biggest payout till date? Wish I could push it to 1K likes, man. At some point we will. At some point. Like, you just gotta stay consistent. At some point I'll get to that point, I guess. Just let me see. Like, my biggest day in terms of likes, I think it was 70. But I used to stream every day, so there were quite a lot of people joining. I think 60 or 70 likes. That's like the maximum I got. And what's your big... That's a little bit personal, man. I don't want to share anything related to money. Like, literally. I only share 2 things. If I lose the account, I will let y'all know. If I take a payout, maybe I'll say it or not. But yeah, because the focus should not be the money. So come here, learn, that's it. You get your answer, you go about your day, you learn something, you go back to it, and that's it. That's my goal. I don't want to, like, yeah. How much I make or how much I lose is, yeah. What is your indicator, free or paid? This? No, they're all free. These are the indicators, bro. This is mine. I made it by myself. You guys can go to charts, indicators, and type my name and you'll find it. Watermark, volume. I don't know why the volume here, but they just have it. Higher time frame candles, even TTFM. And you guys can take a screenshot and yeah. Go live every day to get more viewers, bro. But the problem is, it's not about getting views. It's about if I can do it or not. That's the thing. Like, if my time allows it. Like yesterday, I was at a cafe. I was trading, but I was like, if I had my other laptop, I wouldn't stream. But since I had the Mac and the Mac has like a microphone and stuff, I streamed. So it all depends on like what is it called? The environment that I'm in. If it allows me to stream or not. That's the problem. So yeah. Go live. Okay. I'm trying fractal model. Silent indicator for up to just the pre. Fractal model silent. By silent. Let me check. Fractal model by silent. Fractal model. By somebody called Silent. This guy? Oh, this one. Let's see. Let me go to this one here. My internet is slow to the point that I want to change the color and it doesn't change. Okay, this one 457. Okay. Let me go change the color because I don't like this one. 457. Let me go with like the body. Keep it black. Black. Alright, let me turn that off. Let me see. Now this is like a correct daily open. This one is like the real daily open. Not like this one. If you really check TTFM, look at that. Where is gonna print? Let me do this. No, I'll keep it 3 and then padding from current candle is gonna be 22, so you guys can see. What? They came exactly to the same point. Oh my days. Let me get to like, I don't know, 70. Don't tell me I went too far. Yeah, look at the daily open. This is the daily open, just like I marked it out. But look at the another indicator. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, yeah, something's off. Like, I don't know if it started like from the midnight. That's how we can justify it, because if you really check, this is the open of midnight. This is the low, just like that. So I don't know if I'm doing like midnight open instead of 6 a.m. Let me check. But it's not. You only see silver with gold for cracks and correlation? No, I can use all these, but I just prefer with with silver. You can use Euro GBP or gold Euro, gold GBP, but yeah, I'll just keep it on. This gun box? Let me see. Bro, because the internet is slow, it takes quite a bit, bro, to even like tap this. All right. 0, all this, the background is here. Then for the color, it's this one, 0. For the one, this one, 0. What? And the background is here. Like this green, this red, and this red. And it should be somewhere near. Like, the minute it's gonna start getting blue, yeah, right there. Holy, price is just delivering lower, wow. Alright. So just gonna go with it now. Alright. The Mimics Trader says, my private mentorship loves on GxT model and his concepts. What's your point of view? I don't know, bro. That's his opinion. Like you can never make somebody change his opinion, or if he has an opinion and he already built it on, I don't know, some facts or anything, but I don't agree. And maybe because it came from a little bit of ego, because he's the mentor of T-Trades, and the whole GxT is from T-Trades, so I don't know. And GxT, well, I don't know, man. I don't know. I really can't. But for me, GxT makes sense. We try to profile for our candle, so. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Let's see. This is. Now when it's gonna get tricky. Let's see. Again, it all depends on how this 30-minute candle closes. On YM, we do have a bullish candle, so we do have a 2-stage PSP for now. One stage with NQ and one stage with YM. So let's see. Ideally, I want to say failure to displace below this low. There's nothing really here that would hold price going lower, other than this M15 gap, which I don't really care about. I only care about like M30 gaps and hourly. So if we see like a C3 here, or this one flips in the last 9 minutes into a C2, that would be beautiful. That would be good. Look, do GxT text, and I think it almost did, but I want to see. Even if it did, I'm not going to trade this one. I'm not going to trade the SMT fill. I want to see one of the assets I want to trade into the gap. I don't want to trade an SMT fill. Like, even if it did, let me check. No, it did not. Even it did not. Let me see. EJ. No. So even if it did, like, I want to see at least, since I trade silver and gold, I want to see one of them, like one of the two assets that I trade into the gap. Because even if this one here trades into the gap, I don't trade this one. So it's better to. But if, for example, gold trades into the gap, silver trades into the gap, then I can use this one for a cracking correlation. If it doesn't trade into the gap. Because the one I'm gonna trade it into the gap. That's what I care about. I don't know if you guys got the point or not, but that's how we go about it. Let me see. I don't like this song. Ah, perfect, man. Who's waiting for Future album? Do you guys listen to Future or not? Beat it. Let me see RB. What's going on with RB? Yeah, I think we're gonna go for the SMG break now. I think I'm gonna go for SMG break. Seems like it. Let me go ahead and clear my chart, man. Let me focus on this one here. I go hard when I beat it. I do have a second stage here. Ways I really are. Let's see. So we fell into this place above the high. But bro, it's just like too low in the leg. I cannot really take it right now. Even if I want to short into the SMG break, I can't. Like, it's too low in the leg. Like here, the CIZ makes sense, but still, like, the hourly haven't really closed. So if you want to trade against the previous 4-hour candle, you want to wait for like an hourly swing. 90 minute. Oh, the 90 minute was good, but we had a gap here. So also we need this gap to be closed. Some people don't care and just trade. Like, once you have the bias, you'll be like, oh, fill to this place. We have a clean drawn liquidity, so you can take it. But for me, I'll just wait for the gap to get taken out. I go hard till I beat it. This, it's gonna be a good scenario. Because now I think I'm gonna go for the low. The daily candle flipped bearish. We're filling to this place above. We're having a two-stage PSP on a daily. We're confirming this hourly. We're confirming this daily high with this 30-minute CISD. So that's looking good. That's looking good to go for the SMG break and also for previous daily low. And maybe for Tuesday's low. Having like all these lows here. That might get taken out. So it's gonna be a good day, I guess. It's gonna be a good day. Skyfall, that's good. I don't wanna cry. Let me see. I really want to check on Trader King's stream. Let me see. Oh wait. I want to check Trader King's stream, man. Oh, it just finished. Fortunately. Where's Kane? No Kane? Where's Kane, bro? It says Kane and Leo, not Alex and... Yeah, probably haven't streamed, man. I don't know, man. But I have, bro, like the biggest respect for Kane, bro. I love that guy. I don't know why, but I love Kane, man. He's a really good guy. He's a really good trader. I watched let me put that. Like, I watched one of his streams, bro. His discipline is unmatched. Really. That's why I got the 2 million, man. That's why I got the biggest. Again, it's the second biggest payout, but man, when I watched one of his streams, bro, he took like, I don't know, 4 back-to-back L's, and he's still, bro. His face did not change, man. I think he lost like, I don't know, like 10k. Back-to-back L's, bro. Each one like 2 to 3k. And then it's just like he kept just trading his model, and then he took a big W. I think it was like 8k. So it was down like still 2k, but his discipline is unmatched, bro. Really. Shout out to Kane from here, man. He's a really good guy. He's a really good trader, not a really good guy. I don't know his personal life, and I don't know what's going on in his personal life, but as a trader, is really good, man. Not in terms of technical ability, but in terms of discipline and psychology, top notch, bro. Not gonna lie, top notch. He's the one whom I learned from, man. This type stuff. Do you trade funded? Yeah, I do. It's just I'm not logged in right now. Once I have a trade, then I log in. Because I have the other laptop, and once I log in from the other laptop, it disconnects from here, and so on and so forth. So as long as it's connected on the other laptop, I'll keep it there. Then, if there's a trade, then no, funded. I don't trade live account, bro. I trade funded accounts. I don't have a personal like by saying a live account. I don't trade like a personal account. I trade just funded accounts. It's a little bit not smart to go with live capital. Just go with the funded, bro, until you have, I don't know, like 100k in the bank, 200k, then maybe it's like pull like 50k, copy trade it, then yeah. Damn, bro, GC is just reacting off of the I don't know, like GC is just pushing higher. Let me see what's going on in 15. So how do you approach passing phase 1 and phase 1 and phase 2 are in CFDs? In the futures, there is no phase 1, there is no phase 2. There's only one phase. In the CFDs, yes, you can. You do have two phases, 10% and 5, or 8 and 4, or 12 and 6, depending on like the pro firm you're going with. But on the futures side, nah. You only have one. How do you risk per trade on 50k? I used to risk $500 to $400 per trade, but now I risk like $300. Like yesterday's trade, I risked like 270, like 250, but with the management, I only lost $70. So yeah. Let me go. Hourly. So this hourly here is like technically a C2, but at the same time it's C3 because we're kind of close below the open of this candle here. So it's a little bit tricky situation. In terms of like placement, where's price is at right now, it's really good for like to go for a long. We kind of traded into this gap, we filled it, and then we kind of chased back into it to close below the previous candles open. But let's see if we're gonna start seeing expansion like in terms of the M5 or the M3, then I would trust it. If not, then yeah, I'll just gotta wait for a second and see, because we might fail to manipulate this low and then deliver lower. So it's gonna take a little bit of patience here. Let me add another alert here. Then another one here. Now it seems like really good. Like look at that. Look what we have. We do have like a 2-stage here. One stage, then the second stage on gold. And that's like the only time you can trade away from failures when we go this trend switch or a 2-stage. And yeah, but it's just like too high up in the leg, bro. Like we can still get this, then trade away into the high. But it's just like too high up in the leg. In terms of the M15, there's no key level. Like even this order block we close below it, so yeah. On silver it kinda a little bit makes sense because we had an established low and then we traded below it. Well, let's see, we might have like an SMT fail here to deliver lower. So it's a little bit tricky right now. It's a little bit tricky. But once we get this CISD here, then most likely or not, we're going to go for a low. Just like yesterday. Like, if you guys really remember, this is the exact same scenario that happened yesterday. Let me go full screen. This is literally the exact same scenario that happened yesterday on a long, like here. We were so high up in the leg, if you really guys check, if we take the fib from this high to this low, it was around a 75%. We traded below a low, we failed to displace below it to confirm the CIC and we traded higher. So I'm just going to go with like the same narrative. We're around the 75, we're failing to displace above a high. And it's literally the same, look at that. We failed to displace below a low, then a high. Look at ES, bro. It's literally copy paste. Above a high first, and then the low, and then the CASD, then the delivery higher. Like literally copy paste. So if we do get that, then I'm just gonna go ahead and then trust, because if this is a C2, then this body should be protected and should not really close below it. If we do close below it, then this is gonna be a failure to manipulate on NQ to deliver lower, further lower. Yeah, let's see. And I'll take my trades something like this. This long. We go for the short. This. I'll go for this. Or something like this. Alright. Alright, one sec, guys. Let me disconnect my OBS. One sec. I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. Oh, you know what? Let me turn that on. Let me keep my trader bait here. Got trader bait. Connect. Then once this pops up, then I'll go ahead. All right, give me guys one sec. Let me turn off this. Let me go ahead and copy like the credentials for the account. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. Log in. All right. We're in. We're in, boys. Let's see. If we get the CISD here, I'm going to go for short. M3, M5. So in M5, we still have like 21 seconds left for the candles close. So let me go ahead and open on MES here, just in case. All right, I think I'm going to get the closure. How much I'll be risking? No, that's too much. So I'll go with like 3 contracts here. 3 cons. Maybe like 3. I'll go for 4 cons. Alright, go for this extreme low. Alright, let's see. So that's my trade. Let's see if we're gonna have. Let's see if it's the right decision to make or not. Let's see. But price needs to tag me in. Come on. Yo. Did it touch the body? Okay, it did not. Alright, let's just wait on it. Let's just wait on it. Maybe it waits for the M3 to close. Let's see. Let's see. Now let me play some music, bro. Because now it's just waiting. I'm only probably gonna like try to take off the order maybe here. Once you kind of take out that low, I don't really even want to see like that big retracement. I want to see like a failure to manipulate directly and just go lower. So let's see if we're gonna trade back all the way up there or not. Let me see what's going on with the comments. Between Forex and CFD, which is better? Forex is the CFD. They're both the same, man. I mean, futures and... Oh, okay, gotcha. I prefer futures, man. It's always better. You have access to real data. Direct access to executions. No slippage. Again, there's slippage sometimes. No spread. Like, for example, it's just a quarter point spread. And unfortunately, I think... it is what it is, guys. So I think I missed out on that one, bro. Ah, my days. Oh, my days. All right. That's really unfortunate, man. That's really unfortunate. Oh, my God, bro. If I can miss me like a point, bro. Like, let's see. Again, that's too late. Let me see if I'm market executed. Oh, my God. For 20 bucks. For 20 bucks, I missed out on a 500, bro. Like, look at that. Here's 285. Here's like 300. Oh my God, bro. That was fucking good. That was gonna be really good. It's really unfortunate. Oh man. And you could still extend it to here, but I will just be out by here. Anyways, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's just falling off the face of the earth, bro. What a miss, bro. What a miss. Really unfortunate. Imagine now it goes all the way up here, bro. Then he comes back. This is literally what happened yesterday on InQ. Let me show you guys. Let me show you something here. This was here, so unfortunate, really unfortunate. I was gonna be like a 1.77R, maybe like one tick to make it 1.8. Anyways, let me see InQ. Yesterday, let me go to MNQ. I think MNQ, I had the annotations already there. I do have the annotations. Here's the trade that I wanted to take, but I did not take, bro. Look at that, bro. We came all the way closer to and then oh my god, bro. This is the trade I took yesterday on stream. This is the one I took on stream. It got taken out. I took this one here. After I see the failure to displace, I closed at a break even, and then it delivered. So the directional bias was good. It's just the timing was not good. Here the direction was good, the timing was good, but the execution was not. Ugly. This is the trade, bro. This. I think we can still trade back here and deliver lower. Let me see. I think we still have the possibility to do so. When do you go BA on a trade? Specifically, like when new valid swing forms or when the trade run above 1, because when I go to BR, I also get stopped up. I don't have an exact trailing process or going to break even. It all depends on the trade. For example, yesterday, let me see. Yesterday, the trailing was because of ES. When we failed to displace, when I closed my first contract, and then I should have closed the rest of the 50% when we failed to displace below low. When we failed to confirm the CIC, because at some point the bearish candle was here, and then all of a sudden it flipped bullish. Then I should have closed that trade, but I just left it there because the risk was lower, and my stop was here instead of being here. Sometimes when we have a new invalidation level that looks like a strong level, instead of having, for example, I took this entry, so instead of being here, I'll trail my stop here, but I never go to BE just to go over to BE now. As I go to I trail to my stop to where I think if, for example, yesterday, I moved to this high because I know if price manages to take out that high, it will go for my stop directly. Like, it won't really care. So I just trail to an area where I think if price gets to that point, it will go and take me for a full L. So I'll just manage to trail there. But to go to just a fixed BE, okay, if we go for 1 hour, go for a fixed BE, no, it's not good. What was the trade logic H4 profiling? If you really check on a 4 hour, what do we have? A 2-stage on a 4 hour, right? Look at YM. First stage is with NQ. The second stage with what? With YM, right? We traded above the high. We haven't really traded above the high. And the hourly close is C3. And then, if we're going to see a failure to, this is the gap, right? If price is really going to respect that gap, we should not see this. CISD through it. So we had an hourly C3 with a 2-stage cracking correlation, which is a reversal sequence again. When do you want to trade the reversal? When you have a 2-stage, either a 2-stage SMT, 2-stage strength switch, or 2-stage PSP. We do have a 2-stage here, strength switch, from stronger to weaker. But again, you're taking this stronger from the weaker asset and this weaker from the stronger asset. This is not a strength switch, by the way. When you have two SMTs from two different assets, this is not a strength switch. Remember that, guys. Because why? Because when you have the middle asset, it's always going to be stronger than one and weaker than the other. So this is not a strength switch. Ideally, you want to be a strength switch with the same asset because one is going to be weaker and turns into stronger or vice versa, okay? So keep that in mind. With the C3, the new validation level that's supposed to hold price did not really do much, and we just CAC through it. And now what do we have? We're reacting off of the manipulation level. For the people that are here for long, they know that I target the manipulation level most of the time. But now I went for the low. Okay, we're back. Should I go for a one contract here, guys? Let me see if I go with one con, bro. Oh, it's gonna be $70. Let me see. You know what? Let me just let it do its thing, bro. Let me do its thing, bro. I'm sure it's gonna go lower, but yeah, it's just I said I'm gonna take out the quarter 1.6 here, so yeah, maybe if I can go with like 0.5 micro, I would take it like $35, but 70, nah, bro. For a trade that is not high probably anymore, I'm not gonna risk like half an hour, or like 0.4 hour for a trade, just to be in it. If it goes, it goes. Let me see if it goes. It'll be 162. Not worth it. 136 and 126, not 162. All right, now it's looking good. Now I like silver. Now I like gold. Look at that. Now I like that. Now I do like that. What do we had? Do you remember what did I tell you guys? We might have the SMT fail to go for the low, which we do have now. That's good. So now we do have the SMT here. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. So it's a two-stage PSP. Let's see how price is gonna deliver away from it. I'll wait for an extra CISD, by the way, because these are like failure swings. I'll wait for an extra CISD. Hopefully price would give it from this gap. Hopefully. And I'll take it. Look at YM. This is not a reversal signature, man. This is continuation signature. So we need to take out the high to then deliver lower. So to then form that SMT here to continue lower. Alright, we're failing to CISD here. We're failing to displace above the low. Haha, me too used to put BE. I also had the issue, it got taken out a lot because that means you adjust your stop line. Yeah. Still, CL tax gap. Yup. Mohammed Khan, yup. It did, buddy. Alright. So I'm sure, yeah, this one is going to deliver. You know when price kind of pauses for a little bit in the same direction that you want to go into? I think it does play out most of the time. Kind of stalls a bit. It kind of stalls around for a bit. Especially if we close this gap. Oh my god, bro. We're going. We're diving. Silly pussy. Let me go to here. Let me go to the album. Wind's gone. This one's good. This one's good. I want you guys to listen to this. Be easy. Easy way to determine bias. Have we engaged the previous daily low or previous daily high? Where's your drawn liquidity? What the previous 4-hour or 2 4-hour candles doing? Where are they trading into? Yeah, so we're gonna go now. We're gonna deliver lower. Yeah, if we close this gap, bro, we're delivering lower, man. Easy dive. Just like we showed you guys on NQ. Price now tends to do these things here, man. My firm ID, FP. Funded pips, you mean? But on a broken MT5s, whatever try to open lots, it doesn't open. What's the problem? They say not enough funds. Not enough leverage, I guess. Are you going for more lots, bro? Make sure, because if you're using NSCs, let me pause. When I used to trade on MT5, like on CFDs, some brokers on NQ for one lot, you go with like $1 per point. Some are $10. So what you can do is just go ahead and do as if you want to do like a buy limit or sell limit and set your stop, and then go to your stop loss and see how much you're risking to then make sure that you're using the correct stop loss, the correct dollar size, because you might be thinking you're risking 200, but in reality you're risking 2,000. So make sure to do that. Always before you go for a buy limit, and then calculate how much 1 point costs, and then you can do your math. After that, do not depend on like that. There are some EAs that gives you like the lot calculation. They will not do it because they don't know what's going on with the broker, because it all comes to the broker and how much they're using, how much they. I hope you got the point. So yeah, this one is delivering lower. Unfortunately, without me. All right. Yeah, the lows are like in that case. If I'm filming that trade right now, I would actually go for 2R right now. I would actually go for 2R. I would literally go for a little bit beyond the low. That's what I would do actually. But yeah, it is what it is. You call the direction, but you miss the trade. You remove the order. I'm gonna go for the SMT break now. I don't like how price is forming, so ideally I want to see gold trading below the low, or like really expanding higher, leaving some sort of gaps that I can trade away from. This how you dealing with? $20,000 on your wrist. On. That's a song like. Blame this shit on being 25. This is because it's 2005. I like this one. Let me give you guys a listen. Shit just gonna hate you on my mind. All right. I just wanna. Let me think. This how you dealing with me then. This how you dealing with me then. Turn 6 now 7 9. Pray for a key. It's God send me a word. All right, can we take it to 15 likes, guys? We got 20 viewers here and only 14 likes. Maybe we can take it to 20. You know, we gotta rebalance the range. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and do so. That would help the channel grow and give me motivation. And maybe we can take some more winning trades. Best song, bro. This future song, I pray for a key. It's costing me a word. It's so good. Let me keep the GPA as it was, just for reference. I don't think we're gonna take a trade here, boys. We do have a 2-stage PSP on server, but I wanna let me see HO. That's looking sexy, bro. That's looking good. Come on. You gotta deliver lower quickly, man. We already confirmed. So, for example, in that case, I would take my stop from this high to this body here. When we have a gap, you always want to move your stop to the body. Again, you can use it at the high because they're close proximity. Maybe I'll just do it at the high. But if the wick is a little bit fat, then I'll go with the body. So in that case, I would literally be sitting risk-free on that trade. This literally would be just at my stop. So reacting off of this manipulation level here. Let's see if this gap is going to do the job and deliver lower. Alright, so we do have the SMT fail right now with YM. We do have the SMT fail. YM traded into the gap. The ES did not. So this is the time to deliver lower. Let me see what's going on with the NQ. Failing to displace below the low. Okay. But there's no strength switch. Because NQ was the weaker and still weaker, so no problem. Even though it failed to displace below the low, it's alright. Because it also confirmed the CISD will still have this gap here, so it still can deliver lower. No problem. Pray for a key. Is God send me a word? Promise you that. This one is also really good, but I can't check and drop. Okay. I do actually like the idea of long in CL, by the way. I do like the idea of long in CL. Let me turn on my PSP indicator. It's already on. Let me turn it off, turn it back on. No, gotta do this, delete, put it back on. So we do have a PSP here, two-stage PSP. Yeah, I do love the idea, man. I love this expansion here, away from it. Let's see if we can get the CISD here. That would be a good trade. Back into like this high here. Yeah, I like it. Let's see if it's gonna play out or not. Alright, yes, it's traded back to the gap. Now you should deliver lower, come on. Just go for it. So it's gonna be better if YM takes out this high here. Like form an SMT or like go for this external here. But let's see if I was in that trade, if I would have taken a break even here or not. That would be interesting to see. Oh, let me see what's going on with the stream. If you guys have any questions, you can drop them in the chat, by the way. Or drop a screenshot of your chart and then we can take a look at it. All right. Can Euro and GBP trade the same? Yup, you can. But it's better to stick with NSCs, oil, GC. But they can be. They can. But the correction correlation are not the best. The best correction correlation are between these three tries here. Let me see the chat. I see SMT fell in PSP and Euro and GBP on the 30 minutes. Fell into this place. I like the idea of taking CL actually. I do like the idea of taking CL. I really do. I really do. Maybe try to play with RR a little bit, like somewhere in here. See the 4 hour. Already have a C2. It's two-stage PSP on a 4 hour. And do we have a... And we're forming that low right now. Looks good. I do like what's going on right now. Let me see. And by the way, CL and Euro and indices, they have like a opposite correlation. So if you really check, once this one's going higher, this one's trading lower. This one trading lower, this one is trading higher. So even now, looking for long and anticipating this one to go short, it makes sense. With the opposite correlation, it kind of makes sense even with just correlation. So let me see. Let me see how much I'll be risking. 220, that's good. They always demand 2 stage for reversal on 1 stage. Yeah, if I want to trade at the extremes, yes. But if the reversal was just established with the 1 stage and we have a displacement away from it, then I don't really need the 2 stage to look for, because now I'm trading a continuation. So for example, if I'm trying to trade this extreme here, let me see something clear. For example, this one's just trading lower. I want to take a long from here. I would require a 2 stage. But if I want to take a long from here, the reversal is kind of already established. So I want to just need a 1 stage here. So it all depends on the area. But yeah, your answer, your question is right. Oh man, they're both going lower now. All right, yes, finally. So my stop would have been here. I would have been so close to getting taken out. If I was in a trade, but unfortunately I'm not. Everything is going lower. GC, CL, NSEs. Let me see what's going on with incurred. Yeah, we're gonna go lower. So I might retrace a little bit here. Yeah, I might take out this high here. Is the only key level around the EQ, or as you guys know, if the previous candle established already a reversal or a key level, then we should just kind of displace away from it. But I think I'm just gonna probably take this high out. Let me see what CL is doing. All right, now I'm gonna put my alert here. Do you see like this one's lower, this one's high? I don't know why they both kind of like deliver it the same way. I came up tonight and I wanna go home. But I'm just better now. This one is also really good. Still not enough. It's good. I like it. Cause I've been debating. I'm in a place perfectly perfect. Let me see. You're a star and it's what comes with it. It's a good chill song, bro. It's really good. I'm gonna take out a high right now. Alrighty. Yeah. No trade. ES. Bro, holy. Look at that. Imagine being this close to GP and thin. Taking a break even. Bro, do live stream every day. Love the way you explain everything in deep. That helps a lot. Thank you, man. And I'm glad that you find it educational. That's the purpose of the stream. I'll try my best to do so. I'll try my best to do so. I'll try to. I'll try to be consistent with the streams, man. Let me show y'all something. Let me go to my YouTube studio, bro. It's been a minute since I last live stream. Let me see. Content. Live. If you guys really check. So July 1st, June 26th. I did 2 streams. Yeah, back in it, like the first day I'm back. This was just a test stream. Then I did 2 streams, like 6 a.m. and then before June 17th. This was a test stream, just 17 minutes. These are like all private. But like the last stream was like April 29th. So May and almost June, no streams. Like on June we did like 2 streams. It's been a really long, man. I'll try to stick to it. But before we had like streamed almost every day, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 23rd, holy 20 days break. Let me go like 50. I think on February I was the most consistent, I guess. I've streamed every day on February. Let me check. Yeah, February 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then probably the weekend 7th, 9th, 11th. Yeah. Also, like at some point I used to get like 1K views, 800, 700. Now 300, 200, 400. So let's see. Let me put this one here so I can read the comments. Is it IMP to have? Is it? You mean impossible? Impossible to have SMT in 4 hours, and if there is no strength switch, will we still trade reversal? Is it impossible to have SMT in 4? Is it impossible to have? No, you can have an SMT on 4 hours. And if there's no strength switch, will we still live? Yes, it's not necessary. It's just a 2-stage. It doesn't have to be a strength switch 2-stage. It can be a 2-stage SMT, 2-stage PSP, or a 2-stage strength switch, or a strength switch PSP. They all can do it. But again, ideally, you don't want to really take the reversal. You want to take the continuation away from the reversal. Again, wait for the reversal to be established, wait for a new invalidation level, and then trade the universal model. It's a lot better. It's a lot high probable. Maybe again, you'll miss out on a lot of moves. For example, in that case, if you guys really check in Q, we had a really clean 2-stage here. 1 stage, the 2nd stage is not a strength switch, but again, this is just like a 1 stage. With the first CIZ, it's a little bit risky. The 2nd CIZ, you could take this one here to go for external. But again, that's a little bit risky compared to waiting for like the universal model. Once the reversal is established and then try to take it lower. I think that's a lot high probable. You try to miss out on trades, but your win rate is going to be better. And you take less trades, but high probable trades with a higher win rate. So is it important to have SMT? No, it's not necessary. If you're going to have, like, sometimes you can have it on an hourly. It's the same as the 4 hours. Sometimes not, but just have an SMT. Again, as long as you want to trade away. Again, if you want to frame daily low, 4 hour gap, 1 hour highs or lows, 2-stage or 1-stage, it can be on a 4 hour or an hourly. They both can do it. Because sometimes within that 4 hour candle, there are like 4 hourly candles. So you can have like a strength switch within the same 4 hour candle, but it's not really important. It's not necessary to have the 4 hour. So in that case, I would have probably got taken out right here. I would have probably got taken out of break even. But I think I would have probably closed here. I think I would have probably closed here, just like I did on Friday. It was like so close to the level that I closed it. This is something that I do quite often. How do you go? Oh my god, this question I answered quite a lot today. I think I need to make videos, guys. Here's the deal. Everybody, give me, guys, a suggestion for a video that you guys need, so I can answer it on the stream. I can make a video for it, so whenever somebody asks, then I can just tell them, hey, take a look at this video. It'll be educational, just like I did. And let me know if you guys watched my strength switch video that I posted. I don't know if you guys have watched it or not, but if you guys did, let me know if you guys liked it and you guys like the way I explain things, and if you guys found it beneficial or educational. Let me know, because I think it was good. We got quite a lot of engagement. It got to like 1.4K views, so I think it was a good video, I guess. And yeah, so if you guys found it beneficial and if you guys found it beneficial, then yeah, I'll try to post more videos like that. Let me see gold. Let's see. So, all right. So tradable little low. Videos of exactly how do you trade GxT? You guys give me the ideas. Like if I can make, like there are tons of videos that can be made, but if there was if there's one video that's gonna help a lot of people, then I'm gonna go ahead and start with that video that's gonna like clear a lot of confusion. Because for example, I might go ahead and talk about string switch, but people still find it difficult to do a daily profile or 4-hour profile. So string switch wouldn't really help as much as a daily bias video or 4-hour profiling video or like a daily profiling video. So again, let's kind of make a list of the things you guys lack quite a lot, and then we can go ahead and start making like the most important videos that's gonna clear out a lot of confusions, and then go ahead and like dive deeper and deeper. For example, like two-stage or string switch or stuff like that. Because BM Trace, if you guys know him or not, I think I do agree with a lot of things he says. It doesn't use any like the complication stuff. Like it just goes like external to internal, one stage SMT, CISD, take it. And it doesn't even wait for a CISD. It just takes a buy stop. For example, for example, for us, we would wait for like a CSD. We'll take a buy stop here, then take it. So just try to make it simple as you can. Don't try to focus on like the two-stage. Make a video combining daily bias with 4-hour profile, because quite a lot of times daily bias with 4-hour profile, because a lot of times two-sided thing. All right, I think that's a good video. You know what? I'm gonna make a poll here, and then I'm gonna do next vid. I'm gonna call it next video, and then it's gonna be daily bias, each for profiling. All right, you guys tell me which one y'all want. All right, so this is the type of bullshit you get. Like you shoot above a high and then probably start delivering lower, because within the EQ of this expansion candle, the only key level we can reverse off of this high. So let's say again, it's quite rare that we can like inverse this cap and fail to trade below the low, but I think the SMT did this job here, actually. So all right, so there's a poll, guys. Let's see. At least we need to have like 10 votes. So we have 14 viewers here. At least we need to get to 10 votes. So if you guys haven't voted, you can go ahead and check the chat and go ahead and vote to see like the next video if you guys want a daily bias or a 4-hour profiling video. But let's see, like at least 10 to have like a balanced poll. So let's see. We'll still need 7 votes. So if you guys haven't voted yet, go to the chat and then try to vote. The idea for the next video, should it be a daily bias video, 4-hour profiling video, or a backtesting session? Backtesting session also we can also do a backtesting session. We can do like a live one, and then I can post it. So we need 5 more votes. So if you guys haven't voted yet, go ahead and check the chat. And yeah. Let me play some music while he gets some votes here. So let me go down. Don't matter to me. Over for the style. No uplift. Oh, let's go on. Made it out the dirt. I was here first. Made it out the dirt. I was here first. A nigga used to rob, and I used to surf. Couldn't go to work. School was the worst. We got 7 votes. We still need 3 more. If you guys haven't voted yet, go ahead and vote. But I think it's leaning toward the H4 profiling. Like it's 86% compared to 14%. I don't think the 3 votes would do it, I guess. But if you guys haven't voted yet, just go ahead and vote. And by the way, are you guys awake on a PM session? I think I'm gonna go ahead and stream on a PM session. I think I still want to take a trade today. I still think there's gonna be something good here for today, especially with the fact that GC is consolidating right now. I'm going for this idea here for the PM. We go for a PM stream or not? Because tomorrow there will be no stream. Tomorrow is bank holiday, so we cannot really trade tomorrow. So we go for the PM or no? For the stream, I'm gonna trade anyways. But you guys want to stream or not? They sound like a yo-yo. She from out of TC when you... Oh, okay, that's too bad. Niggas rapping gangsta, but they're really... Okay. We go for the PM. Okay, we go for the PM. Focused on my bag, focused on my money. I done had some dark days. I had some niggas think they love. I need the end pass, bro. I'm not supposed to say it, man. All right, I think I'm gonna go for the double purge here. I think I'm gonna go for that lot to get taken out. Not really delivering the way I wanted to. Let me see, it did. There was on Zoom. Increase it to 200%. Yeah, it's already on it. Okay. All right, so the next video is gonna be 4-hour profiling. Okay. All right, so we're going for the next video is gonna be about 4-hour profiling. All right, makes sense. What will the PM stream be? Just like now, I'll trade a PM session, man. I'll see if we can take a trade on a PM. I still believe gold is gonna deliver on a PM. I still believe that gold is gonna deliver. Like once we take out that low, with like a 1 stage or 2 stage, that's gonna be good. Or if we get something like this, holy moly, bro! If we get like this second stage here, this trend switch here, or like even this, or like just here, holy moly, bro! So I'm gonna set an alert here. I'm gonna set an alert after breaking about these highs. I'm gonna set another alert here. That's gonna be it. Alright, probably gonna deliver right now. Let's see. If I said if I would you. What time will the PM stream be? Probably 2. I'll try to go out now. Eat something. It's too late for me here. Like what time is it for me? Probably go grab something to eat or get some delivery here or cook something. Yeah. Take a rest. And then hop on it back. Let me see what YM is doing, bro. Just fucking around. By the way, today was 2 stages MT on 4 hour, but if there's 2 stages on not the 4 hour, it wasn't on the news. Yes, it was all the same. Hourly and 4 hour, you can. 30-minute, ideally not. If it's only on a 30-minute and not on the hourly, just wait for the hourly. But again, if you're trading away from the hive day, from the established reversal, then 1 stage is just can do it. Reply me. I think you have a delayed stream. That's why you did not hear. Okay. Holy fuck, bro. That's crazy. Let me see if there's a big delay on stream. Let me see. Is there a big delay on stream here or not? No. What's the second here? 25. Now it's 39. Okay, it's like 10 seconds delay. That's good. 10 seconds is not that much. All right, ES is delivering lower. Finally. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, so I'm probably going to close the stream right now. Grab something to eat, have a rest, drink something. And we're probably going to be back at 2. I'm not sure. It's not a promise. I'm not sure. But like just before 2, if I see prices just like fucking around on because I want to go back for PM just for gold, to be honest, just for gold. If gold is still fucking around before the session, I'll let y'all know in the Discord. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, you'll find it in the description link below. And just before I stream, I announce it on the Discord. So you guys will have all the updates about whether or not I'm going to be streaming or not. So if you haven't joined the Discord, join it already. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you haven't what? If you haven't liked the live stream, then what you're waiting for, man. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, that's really it. See you guys maybe in like 2 hours, okay? Have a rest, trade safe. Don't rush it, okay? Price is a little bit slowing down, so pay attention, okay? See you guys, take care, and see you in 2 hours, all right? Have a good one. Take care. End stream, and okay, so we're gonna go to OBS right now. Then make sure it's ended. Then we go to OBS.